For years, machines have been seeing the world in black and white. The LiDAR sensors used in self-driving cars, delivery robots, industrial systems, and drones are incredibly good at building detailed 3D maps. But those maps have always looked more like wireframes than real life. Everything shows up as shapes and distances, without any actual color information. Now, tech company Ouster says it's changing that with its brand new Rev8 sensor family. What makes this launch interesting is that Ouster didn't just attach a camera to a LiDAR unit. Instead, the company built color directly into the sensor itself. Every single point captured in the 3D map already contains color data from the start. That means robots and autonomous vehicles can understand the world more naturally, almost the way humans do. Right now, most autonomous systems rely on one of two setups. Some use cameras alone, like the vision system from Tesla. Others combine cameras and LiDAR together, then use software to merge the two streams of information afterward. The problem is that combining those systems can create delays, calibration issues, and mismatched data, especially when vehicles are moving quickly through busy environments. Ouster's Rev8 system skips that entire process. The color is captured at the exact same moment as the distance and shape information, so there's no need for extra software stitching everything together later. According to the company, this makes Rev8 the world's first LiDAR system with native color built directly into the sensor. At the same time, competition in this space is heating up. Chinese LiDAR giant Hesay Group recently revealed its own full-color platform called 6D ETX. Instead of focusing only on color, Hesay's system collects 6 dimensions of information at once, including position, reflectivity, velocity, and color. The race to give machines more human-like perception is moving fast. Ouster's new technology runs on its custom L4 chip, which uses imaging expertise from Fujifilm. The sensor can detect massive amounts of light information every second and process it with incredible precision. In practical terms, that means an autonomous vehicle could recognize a traffic sign, notice the red glow of brake lights ahead, or create highly detailed color maps of roads and terrain without needing separate cameras. The flagship model in the lineup is called the OS1 Max. It uses 256 channels and can detect objects up to 200 meters away, even on surfaces that barely reflect light. Under ideal conditions, its range stretches as far as 500 meters. It also delivers a full 360-degree horizontal field of view, allowing machines to constantly monitor everything happening around them. Another major advantage is how well the sensor works in difficult lighting. It can operate in near darkness as well as extremely bright sunlight. That's important because autonomous systems often struggle when moving between shadows, tunnels, nighttime streets, and direct daylight. Ouster says the Rev8 sensors can capture detail across both dark and bright areas at the same time, while preserving accurate color information. Ouster CEO Angus Pacala described Rev8 as a major leap forward for machine perception. The company believes these sensors could give robots what it calls human-like sight, helping power the next generation of physical AI systems. A growing list of companies is already adopting the technology, including Google, Volvo Autonomous Solutions, Skydio, Plus AI, and Seegrid. This launch also signals a bigger shift for Ouster as a company. Earlier in 2026, it acquired computer vision specialist Stereolabs in a deal worth millions of dollars. That move suggests Ouster wants to offer complete AI perception systems instead of just selling individual sensors. The big idea here is simple. When machines can instantly understand both the shape and color of the world at the same time, training AI systems becomes much easier and far more accurate. That could speed up the rollout of autonomous cars, smarter robots, advanced drones, and automated infrastructure in the real world. Ouster says the Rev8 sensors are already available for order, with shipments expected to begin this quarter. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but it's clear the company sees this as the next major step toward machines finally seeing the world the way people do.